Hello everyone, and welcome to Beyond the Bookmark. Today, we're delving into Robert Greene's powerful book, The 48 Laws of Power. We'll break down each of the 48 laws, explore their meanings, and discuss how you can apply them in real life. Author Robert Greene's book distills the essence of power into 48 actionable laws. Robert Greene is renowned for his exploration of strategy, power, and human nature. His other works include The Art of Seduction and Mastery. Introduction. Greene begins by explaining the nature of power and how it has been a driving force in human history. He emphasizes that power is often subtle and requires a deep understanding of human behavior and social structures. The book is divided into 48 laws, each with historical examples, explanations, and practical applications. Let me discuss about first 10 laws. Law 1, never outshine the master. Principle, always make those above you feel superior. If you make them feel like they are the most important, they will see you as a valuable ally rather than a threat. Example, Nicolas Fouquet, the Finance Minister of France, hosted a lavish party to impress King Louis XIV. Instead of being impressed, the king felt threatened and had Fouquet imprisoned. Law 2, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Principle, friends can be unreliable, and their loyalty might waver. Instead, strategically use former enemies who have something to prove. Example, Michael III of the Byzantine Empire promoted his former enemy, Basil, who later betrayed and murdered him, demonstrating the danger of misplaced trust. Law 3, conceal your intentions. Principle, keep your plans and motives hidden to avoid opposition and to maneuver more effectively. Example, Otto von Bismarck skillfully concealed his intentions while navigating the complex political landscape of 19th century Germany, leading to the unification of Germany. Law 4, always say less than necessary. Principle, by speaking less, you maintain an aura of mystery and prevent others from using your words against you. Example, Louis XIV of France mastered this law by speaking little, which made him appear more powerful and enigmatic. Law 5, so much depends on reputation, guard it with your life. Principle, a strong reputation is crucial for maintaining power. Defend it fiercely and ensure it remains intact. Example, the Duke of Wellington's reputation as a fierce and principled leader helped him secure military victories and maintain influence. Law 6, court attention at all costs. Principle, being in the spotlight, even if it means controversy, can provide opportunities and protect you from obscurity. Example, P.T. Barnum used sensationalism and publicity to build his circus empire, demonstrating the power of attracting attention. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Principle, delegate tasks and use the skills of others to achieve your goals while ensuring that you receive recognition for the results. Example, Thomas Edison often took credit for inventions that were developed by his team, leveraging their work to enhance his own reputation. Law 8, make other people come to you, use bait if necessary. Principle, by creating an environment where others seek you out, you retain control and avoid appearing desperate. Example, P.T. Barnum's use of grand spectacles and marketing drew people to him, demonstrating the effectiveness of using bait. Law 9, win through your actions, never through argument. Principle, Demonstrate your capabilities and achievements through actions rather than arguments, which can be counterproductive. Example: General Douglas MacArthur's military successes and strategic actions during World War II overshadowed his critics and secured his legacy. Law 10. Infection: avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Principle: association with negative or unfortunate individuals can harm your own success and reputation. Example: Alexander the Great avoided associating with those who were known for their bad luck or misfortune. Great! We've covered the first 10 laws of power today. These laws provide foundational insights into navigating and mastering power dynamics. Which of these laws do you find most intriguing? How could these principles be applied in your own life or career? In the next video, we'll continue with laws 11 through 20, exploring more strategies to enhance your understanding of power. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, comment, and subscribe to Beyond the Bookmark for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video.